Hi guys! Welcome to the Little G of Vegas. Happy Sunday! I'm doing again my walk and my husband is with me today and he's all the way far back right there doing like he's running like right there. Like, I was like telling me na ana siya na run lang pud ka uban sa ako Ingon ko na dili lang ko mag-run, walk lang ko. I'm just happy na pag uli na ko sa balay karon ikan sa work ana siya nga let's go for a run later. I was like, huh? Are you okay? Okay, so unlikely of him kay ever since it's been a long time that we were able, the two of us, to walk and enjoy the outdoors. And then all of a sudden pag uli na ako sa balay, pag uwi ko sa bahay niyaya niya ako. So ako naman, of course, let's go, because I like walking outside, like nature feels, stuff like that. I just like the outdoors. And motivated man siya guys, kay magpaniwang na daw siya, kay dako na siya kaayo buyag. But anyway, I'm glad na I hope ma-push na gid siya og mag-run and then to lose weight as well and healthy lifestyle. There's my husband. How was it? How was it? How was it, pa?
Tiring.
Tiring? Yeah, he has this belly, so he's trying to lose that. And I really hope that he's gonna do it na yung regularly na, para kasi pag mga na, alam mo naman na nagkakaedad na, and then di na tayo bumabata, so we're trying to do like a healthy lifestyle. Chares Pimpenko, healthy lifestyle. But anyway, yeah, it's so nice here because it's like quiet. This is one of the property, like the casino. Here we work, but right now it's closed, so it has like a huge area. Tingnan niyo naman. There. Ooh. Right there. Ganun lang. Madami ditong nagwo-walk din, pero ngayon tahimik kami lang. And I think as you watch my other vlog, meron akong kasama doon, yung twins na lagi kong kasama sa vlog ko. Doon naman kami sa area na yun nagwo-walk. Yung parang desert na yun over there, that's the one right there. Yan yung area na nagwalk kami last time. And this one also here is the roller coaster, pero right now hindi na siya nag-ooperate kasi nga kinlose nga yung property. But yeah, it feels good. I like walking. I like the fresh air. I like yung sa labas na yung mga tanawin ba, kasi peaceful kasi dito walang gulo, malayo sa civilization talaga. No, because we're here at the state line right now, so it's like a boundary of Las Vegas and California. So, pa, you're tired, pa? Yeah.
Never tired.
But anyway, anong mga nyo ngayon? Ganap nyo ngayon dyan, linggo? Shout out pala sa friend ko na nagwo-work sa what do you call this? Memorial Homes sa Eternal Gardens in Cagayan de Oro. Hi Jen! How are you? thank you for subscribing, and sa mga friends mo rin na nagwa-watch ng vlog ko, thank you kaayo. Hi to all my kababayans, mga katsada na ko in Cagayan de Oro. Hello there! Musta kayo? Musta na ang mga kinabuhi diha sa Mindanao, Cagayan de Oro? Ug sa mga tanan nga mga Filipinos who's watching my vlog, friends na ako, dili na ko friends, bago pala naka-discover sa akong vlog. Hi sa inyo. Salamat for watching, and kung gusto mo mag-subscribe, please do. Kung visit lang and browsing lang, thank you pod. And I hope everything is well and enjoying the weekend. And also, I know it's I think it's Monday right in the Philippines right now, so I think everybody is now at work or getting ready to go at work. But as for us, muwi na kami kanina. Nag-work maaga kasi yung shift ko. I start my work at exactly 5, and then my husband naman, he works 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. Yun ang shift niya. So mas nauuna akong umuwi, pero most of the time siya ang nauunang umuwi kasi nag-overtime ako minsan. But anyway, ganun lang yung mga ganap namin, guys. Ganyan lang, banding-banding kami. Masaya ako ngayon at kasama ko siya. Ayan siya, oh. Hi pa! Say hi to my 4 million subscribers. Ano man yan siya? Ano tawag nito? Camera shy daw siya. It's camera shy, pero yan, takbo na naman siya. Yan siya. Yan siya. Bye pa. Na lang. Wala man na siya libog, guys. Mura na yung kuan. Magkuan, work. Nagdula siya. Ana ra. Mag-read. He read a lot of books. Ano na siya, akong husband, bookworm. Mugid na ang ihang one of his what do you call this, spare time, mag-read. Even early morning, mga mata ko sahay, pag off na mo, mamata na siya mga 5 a.m. Magbasa lang sa iyahang Kindle. Yeah, ganun lang. You see how it is, guys? Look at it. It's so wide here. Like, ang area ba? Ako, kaayo, oh. Tanawa, good na. And then on the other side, right there, is the freeway going to Las Vegas. Layo na kung ba na, guys, oh, tanawa, oh. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys have a good day. Ayo mo tanan diha, mga kababayan na ako diri sa US, sa mga taga Las Vegas, and also from Cagayan de Oro, akong hometown. Hi sa inyo tanan. Ayo mo to all the Filipinos all over the world. God bless. Stay safe all the time. Just spread love and good vibes lang tayo. Till my next vlog, guys. Thank you ulit for watching my vlog. I hope you guys subscribe and like. And until next time. Bye-bye. Thank you. Peace, love.